Ever wonder if that girl from work or your social circle might secretly have a crush on you? The signs aren't always obvious. Sometimes they're as hard to read as a doctor's handwriting. In this video, we'll uncover 6 subtle but unmistakable signs she's secretly attracted to you, even if she's trying to play it cool. Stay tuned, you might just start seeing her in a whole new light. The problem is, most men completely miss these signals. Why? Because women often hide their attraction behind casual behavior, making it tricky to tell if it's just friendliness or something more. You might chalk up her clumsiness or sudden interest in your hobbies to coincidence, but those little clues add up. So, how do you decode what's really going on beneath the surface? Let's dive in. First, she becomes surprisingly clumsy around you, dropping her phone, knocking over coffee, or tripping for no reason. It's her nervous system reacting to attraction, even if she tries to hide it. Then, she suddenly takes a deep interest in your niche hobbies, asking detailed questions and trying to impress you with her new knowledge. Next, her schedule mysteriously starts aligning with yours: lunch breaks, gym times, even coffee runs. It's like she's choreographing accidental encounters just to be near you. She also creates inside jokes that only you two understand, building a secret world of connection. She becomes your unofficial personal alert system, noticing everything about your day and playing it off casually, like your own guardian angel. And in group settings, she develops selective hearing, tuning into your voice above all others, catching every word you say, even from across the room. Recognizing these 6 signs means you can finally see when she's secretly attracted to you. These subtle behaviors aren't random. They're her way of showing interest without saying a word. Once you spot them, you'll know when to take things to the next level and build a deeper connection. Want to learn how to respond to these signs and turn subtle attraction into something real? Hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insights that will change the way you understand attraction forever. Because sometimes, the quietest signals speak the loudest.